Hey everybody, I am Sumana Parkwala and today I am gonna teach you how to create a viral YouTube thumbnail. First of all, click on create a design and then right here YouTube thumbnail. So here you can see YouTube thumbnail is here, and now you have to select your like background. So I am like searching about beach background. So let's go on photos. So here are too much photos of beaches, so I'm gonna take this set images background, and now I am searching gradient. So like this gradient is good, so I like this. So let's drag it and do a transparency 50%, like half transparency, and now download this. So my background is downloaded, so I uploaded it here. Let's see. So here is our background like this, and now click on edit image, click on adjust, and go on situation and adjust it by yourself, and increase some contrast. Now your background is ready for your thumbnail, and now add your picture. Add your picture here which you want to add in thumbnail background. And here you can see you can increase the saturation, clarity, adjust this, and then you open your page 3. Here you are gonna on the click on text, and now right here viral, and select a writing and done. So here is our writing. Now adjust it by yourself. After adjusting, duplicate it and write YouTube. Okay. Minimize the size. This text. And now right here thumbnail. First of all, go on the apps and type here, type gradient. When you search type, so here it's on the second option, type gradient. Click on here and search on. And now right here your text you want the gradient thumbnail, and select the writings. And now here you can select the colors. Like I selected this for the first one. This is also change the writing. Adjust the colors. Okay, so I have adjusted the colors, and now here is the final result of our gradient. You can like adjust it by yourself, like I am adjusting. So I have adjusted. Now click on add to design after adjusting. Okay, so like you can see here is our gradient text. Drag it and adjust it. I have adjusted, and now download it. And it's page number 3 from the transparent background, and then click on download. Okay, so after downloading, go on the page 2, and here's the downloaded. Now add this to your uploads section. So here's our text. Adjust it here. Okay, so I have adjusted. Now click on edit image and scroll down, go on shadows and click on glow. Do a 0 of blur amount, do 100% of intensity and select the size. Okay, so I have selected a size. Our thumbnail is done. Now download it. That's number 2. So thanks so much. This is a simple tutorial how to create a thumbnail like this. So see you next time. Bye bye.